Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel. As we know that only counting days left for SLC exam 2024, now the SLC board has released model paper for all the subjects. In this video, we'll try to solve and learn for maths. And also I've attached the preparatory timetable here. Dear students, the model paper released by the SLC board and the preparatory paper which will be conducted by the SLC board, that is state level preparatory examination, these two papers, these two question papers are very important. Definitely the similar pattern will be followed in the main examination, as we have seen in the last many years. Based on preparatory paper and the model paper, the pattern has been repeated in the main exam. Pattern was similar to the preparatory paper and the model paper. Do try to analyze these two question papers and do try to completely learn. I am telling you again, try to learn model paper and the preparatory paper which will be conducted at the end of this month. Give importance to these two question papers and also previous year question papers. Take this state level preparatory examination as the final examination. Do prepare well and study well for the examination. Dear students, if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and also do join my Telegram group and also WhatsApp channel. Definitely all the important worksheets, preparatory paper, key answers, everything I'll be posting there. Don't miss out anything. Do subscribe the channel and follow it. Directly we'll move to the first made 8 MCQs. First question: every positive odd integer is of the form First question: every positive odd integer is of the form. It's option A, 2q plus 1. Even integer it's of the form 2q and odd is of the form 2q plus 1. Therefore the correct answer is option A. Next, the line represented by the pair of linear equation x plus 2y equals 8 and 2x plus 4y equals 10. The correct answer is option D, parallel to each other, because a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and not equal to c1 by c2. Dear student, do download the model paper and also try to solve all these questions. Try to write the question in a sheet of paper. Try to answer from this video. Third question: the nth term of an AP is what? Very simple question. It's option C, an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. Next, fourth question: the sum of zeros of the polynomial p of x equals x square minus 2x minus 8 is alpha plus beta is what? Minus b by a. We get minus of minus 2 by 1, it is 2. Therefore the sum of zeros is 2. Fifth question: tan theta equals 1. What is the value of secant theta? So you should use identity. Secant square theta equals 1 plus tan square theta. Secant square theta equals 1 plus 1. Secant theta equals root of 2. Therefore the correct answer is option C, root 2. Sixth question: the correct relation related to the triangle PQ using Pythagoras theorem. PQ square equals PR square plus QR square. Therefore the correct answer is option A. Option D, volume of cone is what? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Next, eighth question: what is the value of theta? You can use any of the ratios. You get value of theta as 60 degree. Next question, second main, 8 questions for 1 mark. HCF and LCM are given. Using the relation HCF equals LCM equals A into B, we get HCF they have given as 4, LCM 60, A is 12, we should find out B, therefore B equals what? 20. What is the degree of the polynomial? It's in variable P, therefore the degree, highest power of the polynomial is 4, therefore the degree equals 4. 11th question, fifth term of the AP, that is A5 equals A plus 4D, A they have given it as 3, D is minus 2, we get the fifth term as minus 2. Dear students, similar worksheet and Similar worksheet based on the preparative paper and model paper will be posted in my channel. Do subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, important videos will be posted. 12th question, what is the standard form of the quadratic equation, which is 3x square minus 2x minus 5 equals 0. 13th question, given sin a as 1 by 2, cos a as root 3 by 2, what is the value of tan a? What is tan a sin a by cos a? 2 and 2 will be cancelled. What we get is 1 by root 3. 14th question, if a coin is tossed once, what is the probability of getting head? It is 1 by 2. Our total outcome is 2. The favorable outcome is h, that is 1. N of a equals 1. Therefore, P of a equals N of a by N of s, which is equal to 1 by 2. Now, the 15th question, we know that AOB, angle AOB plus angle APB equals 180 degree. They have given AOB as 2 times APB. 2 APB plus APB equals 180 degree. APB equals 180 by 3. Angle APB equals 60 degree. 16th question, formula to find the CS of first term of cone. The answer is pi L into R1 plus R2 square unit. 17th question, prove that 2 plus root 3 is irrational. Many times the question has been repeated. Let us assume the given number, that is 2 plus root 2 as a rational number. The rational number will be of the form P by Q. PQ belongs to Z and Q should not be equal to 0. Root 2 equals P by Q minus 2. Root 2 equals P minus 2Q by Q. This implies root 2 is rational because P minus 2Q is rational. But root 3 is what? Irrational. This contradicts our assumption. Therefore, 2 plus root 3 is irrational number. By Euclid's next question, by Euclid's division algorithm, find out the HCF of 332 and 64. Assume the bigger number as a, smaller number as 64. Division and apply Euclid's lemma. Next step, a equals 64 and b equals 12. We get quotient 12, remainder 4. Therefore, a equals 12. In third step, b equals 4. By simplifying, you get, until you get remainder 0, you should keep on continuing this step. Therefore, the last step where the remainder is 0, the quotient will be the HCF. Therefore, HCF of 332 and 64 is 64. Sorry, HCF of 332 and 64 is 4. Dear students, all these questions I have solved, many of the questions already and uploaded in my channel. Do watch out the videos which I have posted already last year and from 2 years. All the concepts have been covered. Do watch out. 18th question, elimination method, solving x and y. Subtraction, equation 1 minus 2. 2x and 2x will cancel out. What we get? 2y equals 4, y equals 2, and also we get x as 4. Substitute y equals 2 in equation 2. We get x equals 4. Sum of 30 terms of the given AP. By using Sn formula, Sn equals n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We get Sn equals, the sum of 30 terms of an given AP is 1830. Find the value of A, D, N, S30 is question mark. Again, 20th question, very important repeated question. Same concept will be asked in the examination, only the pattern will be changed. X square minus 7x plus 12 equals 0, A equals 1, B equals minus 7, C equals 12. The quadratic formula is x equals minus b plus r minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Substitute the values of a, b and c and simplifying we get x equals 4 and x equals 3. 21st question, sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, tan 45 is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1 plus 1 is 2, which is equal to secant 60 degree. Therefore, which is equal to RHS, hence root. So this is a important question. Last year in my videos also I have posted this. Just take LCM or do butterfly method. We get cos square a plus 1 plus sin square a divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a. Using identity 1, sin square a plus cos square is 1. We get 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2 sin a divided by the denominator 1 plus sin a into cos a. Take 2 common outside, we get 2 into 1 plus sin a. 1 plus sin a and 1 plus sin a we cancel, which is equal to 2 by cos a, which is equal to The reciprocal of cos A is secant A, which is equal to Rg. 21st question, sorry, 22nd section formula. Given the points 2, 1 and 7, 6, that is 2, 1 is x1, y1 and 7, 6 is x2, y2, ratio is 3:2. The section formula P of x, y equals mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Substitute and simplify, get the coordinates of P of x, y as 5, 4. 23rd question, very simple question. A box contains tokens which are numbered from 1 to 15. A token is drawn at random from the box. So what we should find out the probability that token does not bear a prime number. List out the non-prime numbers from 1 to 15. That is n of a is 9. Now P of a equals n of a by n of s, which is equal to 9 by 15. So P of a equals 3 by 15. 24th question. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 4 cm which is inclined each other. First we should find out the angle between the radii, that is 120 degree. Very simple construction. We get, see this, the tangent should be perpendicular to the radius drawn. Using that concept we can construct. Next, 25th question. P of x equals x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. G of x equals x square minus 1. We should find out q of x and r of x by long division method. We get q of x as x square minus 2 and r of x as 4x plus 3. Dear students, all these questions I have solved and I have uploaded in detail. I have given the solution with similar questions, with similar other questions. Do try to check it out. I have posted one PDF, maths important video links. That video links contains all the questions. If you try to watch all those videos and learn, definitely you can score more than 70 marks. Given P of x as x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, q of x is x minus 2 and remainder is minus 2x plus 4. The question is g of x we should find. By division algorithm, P of x equals g of x into p of x plus r of x. Now g of x equals p of x and shift r of x to LHS, it becomes p of x minus r of x divided by q of x. Substitute and simplify, we get g of x equals x cube minus 3x square plus 3x plus 2 minus 4 is minus 2 divided by x minus 2. Again by long division we get g of x as x square minus x plus 1. 26th question. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 20 more than the shorter side. Diagonal is 20 more. I have assumed the shorter side as x. The diagonal will be 20 more than the shorter side, that is x plus 20, and also the longer side here, the shorter side is less than 10 meters less than the longer side. That means longer side will be 10 meters more than the shorter side. So the longer side will be x plus 10, the diagonal will be x plus 20, and the shorter side I have assumed it as x. By using Pythagoras theorem, we get the quadratic equation x square minus 20x minus 300 equals 0. We get the shorter side as 30 meter. What is the longer side? X plus 30, that is 30 plus 10 is 40. Diagonal is x plus 20, that is 30 plus 20 is 50 meters. Shorter side is 30, longer side is 40, diagonal is 50 meters. 27th question. Based on area of triangle when the vertices are given, the answer is what? Area of triangle using the area of triangle formula of into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Substituting the values x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3, we get the area of triangle as 20 square units. Next question, dear students, this can be solved in two ways. The simpler one I have solved in method 2, so that it is for 3 marks. You can use distance formula and find out distance, finding out distance AC and also finding out distance BC, and using Pythagoras theorem you will get the same answer AD. or you can directly find out the coordinates of point D, and you can use the distance formula between A and D. That is a simpler one. Still I have solved both the methods so that you can have more knowledge on how the questions can be solved in different methods. In both the cases you get the AD, the length AD as 6 units. 28th question. Finding the mean of the distribution, we get sigma fi is 50, sigma fi xi equals 1470. Very simple question, mean equals 29/4. To calculate mode, f1 is 15, f0 is 13, f2 is 7, and limit, the lower limit of the modal class is what? 15. Class size is 5. Here a small mistake is there in the question paper. The first class interval, it is 0 to 5. It is not 1 to 5. Take it as 0 to 5. In case this kind of in case if there is any mistake in the question paper in the final exam, definitely you will get grace marks. Here it's a model paper, do correct it. The class interval, it is 0 to 5 in first case only. So mode equals L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. Substituting with the values, we get mode equals 6. 30th question. It is the similar question which was asked in the preparatory district level. Here we need to given the question itself, the given angle BAC is equal to angle ADB into angle BAC and to angle ADB. BAC equals ADB, which is given in the question, and also angle B will be equal to angle B. In both the triangles, it's a common angle. By using A criteria, triangle BAC is similar to triangle ADB. So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle ABD equals BC square by AB square. The ratio of area of similar triangles is equal to the square of the corresponding side. Using that concept, we get 64 by 36. Simplifying, we get 16 by 9. Hence proved. 31st question, similar. 31st question, most repeated question. So theorem, 3 marks theorem, the lengths of tangent drawn from the external point to a circle are equal. First draw the figure, data from the figure itself we can write to prove construction, and you need to use the RHS theorem, and by property corresponding parts of congruent triangle PA will be equal to PB, hence proved. So 32nd question, construction of similar triangles. So the ratio is 2 by 2, that is the scale factor is less than 1. Therefore the similar triangle will be inside the constructed triangle, that is A dash, B and C dash is the required triangle. Question number 33. We need to find out the area of shaded region. Don't get confused. The area of shaded region is area of sector minus area of triangle AOB. Here the B is missing, it is AOB. Further, to find out the area of triangle AOB, we should find out the perpendicular length. That is, I take it as OQ in the figure. Now using Pythagoras theorem, we get OQ as 3 cm. Area of shaded region, area of sector minus area of sector minus area of triangle, we get 14.19 centimeters square. 34th question, from here 4 marks questions, 4 marks, 4 questions for total 16 marks. So graph, if we solve, first for tables we'll have 2 marks, plotting and finding the answer will get 2 marks, therefore the answer is 3 and y equals 1. Questions, dear students. I have solved with graph itself. It is a more than ogive. Try to solve both less than type and more than type ogive. And also, dear students, in question number 33, I have solved the first question, and the OR question I have missed out here. I'll try to solve and post it for you in the group. 35th question from the unit AP. There are 20 terms in an AP. The sum of first and sixth terms of the progression is 0. I am given the fourth term is 2 and the fifth term is 6. By simplifying and solving, you get d equals 4 and d equals -10. The required AP is -10, -6 and -2 and so on. To find out the value of n when the nth term is 62, we get n equals 90. 36th question from the unit applications of trigonometry. I have posted the detailed video on this. Try to watch those videos. Definitely that will helpful. Here you should use the concept of speed equals distance traveled by time taken. CD equals 900 meters. Now BD equals 900 minus 500, we get 400 by using tan ratio in both the right angle triangles and multiplying equation 1 and 2. Here tan of 90 minus complementary, they have given the complementary means tan theta and complementary is cot theta, otherwise tan of 90 minus theta. So what we get is tan theta equals 80 by 400, cot theta equals 80 by 900, multiply tan theta into cot theta will cancel out, 80 into 80 square, 900 into 400 is 36, 3,60,000. Therefore the square root of 80 is 600 meters. Square root of 30 lakhs will be 600. Therefore the height of the building is 600 meters. Our question, finding the value of AC, AB and AD by using the different ratios, we get the values AC as 18 root 3 centimeter, AB as 18 centimeter and AD as 9 root 3 centimeter. 37th, for the examination you should learn all the theorem, that is Pythagoras theorem, Thales theorem, areas related to similar triangles and also A criteria. All the 4 theorems are important. Here it is Thales theorem for 4 marks. Next, 38th question. We need to find out the CSA of the test tube and also how much the quantity of the solution that can be filled in a hemispherical part, that is volume of hemisphere. The CSA of the test tube will be 192.5 centimeters square. The volume of the hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. That after substituting the values we get 11.22 centimeters square. Dear students, thank you for watching the video. I couldn't explain all the answers in detail because already the detailed answers with the explanation I have posted in many of my videos. Do try to check out and try to learn, and also do subscribe the channel, join my WhatsApp channel which is shared in the description. Definitely the videos what I am posting will be helpful to you to score good marks. Thank you.